To MES College, Maramballi, e-learning.
Dear students, this is Gayatri Kunyamma, Assistant Professor, Department of Fashion Design and Management, MES College, Maramballi. Today we are going to deal with the topic Fashion Cycle, its stages and the theories of fashion movement, which is a part of SEM 2. Let's move on to the session.
The fashion cycle. What is fashion cycle? Fashion cycle is a period of time or lifespan during which the fashion exists, moving through the 5 stages from introduction through obsolescence. When a customer purchases and wears a certain style, that style is considered as accepted. The acceptance leads to the style becoming a fashion. Fashion do not always survive from year to year. Next, the stages of fashion cycle. This is a graphical representation of fashion cycle. Fashion moves through different stages during its cycle of existence. Not only the design but special features also go through the cycle, such as color, texture and fabric. The first stage is introduction stage. In this introduction stage, the designs are first previewed during fashion weeks at the major design centers. And in this stage, new styles, colors or textures are introduced, begin an upward slope. In this stage, limited number of people accept the fashion. Fashion leaders wear these styles. This offered at high prices and produced in small quantities. The next stage is rise stage. In this stage, manufacturers who copy designer clothes will reproduce the styles as apparel that costs less by using less expensive fabrics or minimal detail. In this initial decline, fashions are accepted by more people because they can afford them. In this stage, mass production reduces the price of fashion and more sales results. The next stage is peak stage, that is the top of the hill. In this stage, fashion is at its most popular and accepted stage. Here mass production but prices are not necessarily low. Prices vary at this stage. It can survive longer if the fashion becomes a classic. Updating or adding new details of design, color or texture to the look can keep it in the peak stage. The next is decline stage. In this stage, consumer demand is decreasing, going down the slope. Fashion items available have saturated the market. People do not want to pay higher price in this stage. And also, the fashion retailers mark down the price of the merchandise. And the last stage is obsolescence stage. That is the rejection stage. This is the end of the fashion cycle, the bottom of the hill. Consumers are no longer interested in fashion and find new looks. Price of the fashion product may be low at this point, but consumers may not buy the product. Next is fashion cycle lifespan. All fashions follow the life cycle pattern, but it varies with each fashion. It is very difficult for a fashion marketer to predict the lifespan of a fashion. The length of time is determined by the consumer's willingness to accept the fashion. Fashion movement. Fashion movement is the ongoing motion of fashions moving through the fashion cycle. Economic and social factors influence consumers' interest in fashion. Advertising techniques can also cause consumers to change in fashion. Next, we are going to discuss about the theories of fashion movement. There are basically 3 theories on fashion movement. First one is trickle-down theory. Next one is trickle-up theory, and third one is trickle-across theory. These theories focuses on different set of fashion leaders. First one is trickle-down theory. the oldest and most accepted theory of fashion change. A hypothesis that states the movement of fashion starts at the top with consumers of higher socio-economic status and moves down to the general public. The next is trickle-up theory, a hypothesis that states the movement of fashion starts with consumers on lower income levels and then moves to the consumers with higher incomes. Example, the hairstyle Beatles and the athletic apparel style during 1970s and 80s. Next and the last theory on fashion movement is trickle-across theory, a hypothesis stating that the fashion acceptance begins among several socio-economic classes at the same time because there are fashion leaders in all the groups. That's all the session on fashion cycle and the theories of fashion movement. Hope you all got a clear picture in this. Thank you.